ahead.
Alright, lovely people. We have gotten all of the screws, including another one that I had to file out.
Oh crap, hold on. I've got a cord stuck in my chair here.
Yeah. You can just lift your chair up. It's not going to slide under. Or just leave it there. So, we got all of the screws out of the system board. So now, we can lift up the system board.
Yeah, I should.
So now you can lift up the system board,
Alright.
eventually.
Now, who has the, let's see. Alright, whose wrist has the
Yours
band on it?
probably.
Well, it will be mine now. Whoops. Hold on. Ah! The Velcro is like stuck to itself and it's quite funny, actually.
Okay.
Okay. So. Oops, no, is that supposed to be disconnected?
Yes. So you can lift the system board up. And if there's anything attaching it, you should probably hold still.
There is.
Alright.
So, I have to go back here.
So let's see. I need to see what connector this is. I'm curious.
Wait, it's under here.
It's over here.
Oh, it
Where my
looks...
hand is.
Oh, wait. See it.
That.
Oh, wait, that I probably don't have to worry about.
So there's a couple of different things going on here. There's the black cable,
Yeah.
which is not really in our way. The rainbow cable, which is kind of in our way.
That...
And
Guess what that is? That
what
is
is
the...
that?
That is the SATA cable.
Can that come off?
I don't know.
Take a look.
It should be able to. Theoretically, it could.
I
But...
think it comes off from this way. I mean, it's already wiggling,
Yes.
but I don't know how to get it out.
I don't think it
Let's
does.
see. I think it does. I mean, look at how it's wiggling. Maybe that's supposed to slide out somehow.
I still can't believe we lost 2 screws.
Those screws committed suicide.
I know for a fact. I don't know if that comes off.
Well, it has to come off one way or the other. And it doesn't look like it's meant to disconnect. Maybe if we take the tape off. Yeah, you're right.
What?
Oh, I disconnected it from the other end. So now it's attached.
Wait, how did you disconnect it from the other? Oh.
That way?
No, there's like an L-shaped port there. Or there should be.
There's a... Oh, what port? Where?
SATA ports. They look like L's.
Okay. Well, what I'm mostly worried about is, this here.
Oh.
That cable there. I think it connects.
Oh. We got it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look.
Yeah.
Now, the only thing is that a 2.4 volt.
There's a number on this that I'm going to Google.
What is the number?
P71035009115.
That's the number he gave me!
Yeah? Okay.
How did he know?
Because he's a genius, obviously. So this came
Gosh,
from this little
Mikhail,
envelope.
how did you know? Well, I think that's his name. My screen reader pronounces it weird. It says like...
I think it's Michael.
No, it's spelled weird. It's like...
Yeah, it's Michael spelled weird.
Yeah, it's like... I don't know, my screen
So
reader...
here's the new one.
My screen reader pronounces it like... Michio. Yeah, it pronounces it weird. But I think
So you should probably put that back in.
Dang it. Now, whoops, and I just like dropped it. That was really bad. So this is the new one?
Yeah, that's the new one.
Alright, so it So it goes in here like this somehow. And then...
It just goes in that package.
Right.
Right? And then the package folds over like... This envelope piece kind of wraps around it.
Okay. Good thing you're here, because I never would have figured this out.
This is gnarly.
Yeah.
And then there's these two pieces that cross over.
But you can...
Okay.
But now, if you Google that number, did you Google that number?
Not yet.
If you Google that number...
That's what I was doing. Let's sign up.
Will see what popped up and how I got it.
Okay.
But it was thanks to that Michael guy. But the thing is, how did Michael know?
Research.
It's funny, but he must have... You must have to
7,
own a computer like this to know
0, 3, 5, 0, 0,
1 9.
9, 1, 1, 5.
Oh, okay, yeah, 9 1 1 5, right. And you'll see that it'll come up on Amazon.
Your search P7 35009 115. That's because I spelled it wrong. Okay.
What did you do?
I typed it in wrong. P710.
Yep.
35.
Yep.
Oh, look! BIOS battery.
Yeah, look at that Amazon thing.
Hold on.
Click into that and you'll see it.
Oh, it is on Amazon.
That is how I got it.
I'm looking for, it's only $14.
There's only 8 for me.
2.4 volts.
So I wonder if the old one's 2.4 volts.
Must be.
It's gotta be. Because guess what? Well, this other guy was telling me, oh, it's not even worth doing this. Michael.
I mean, it only took us 6 hours.
Michael was the one who found it for me.
Although it would have taken a lot less if it weren't for that screw. Okay, so now we have the new thing in the little envelope piece. I just need to figure out where this connector goes.
Yes.
I don't know. It kind of fell out when I jostled the thing.
Oh, God.
So I don't know where we unplugged that from.
Whoops.
Yep.
Is that a screw right here?
Put a screw right where?
Right there.
No, it's a hole.
Oh.
It may get a screw in it at some point in its life. Alright, so now I need to find out how to I need to plug this thing back in.
Yeah.
Okay. So stop touching things. It's distracting. Okay. We didn't do the PC card case because we didn't have to, and we didn't do the heatsink because we didn't have to, which is, this is so inconvenient.
I know it is. So what did we do?
Find CN99. I found it.
So what did we do with the old ones so we didn't get them confused?
What? Oh, the new one was black and the old one was green.
Oh.
So I don't remember where I put the old one, but it's green. Oh, here it is next to the computer. I typed in the number.
And this one was the same. Now, I would think the black one probably doesn't have a number on it.
No, I don't remember. No, it didn't. But the green one does.
But the cool thing is when we put it back together, right? We can turn it on, and then we can fix the time in the BIOS, and then reboot it and see if it keeps time.
It ought to.
Now it's hard to tell right now because we don't have an operating system installed, but
okay.
That I can do anytime.
Your computer's restarting.
Oh, it's updates.
Just so you know.
Updates probably. He does that sometimes.
Good to know.
Ooh, honey. I think I just totally almost stepped on the dog's face.
Good work.
I know.
Okay. So now we gotta figure out how to put it back together.
We will.
Yeah.
Now I see what he was talking about. It took us a while.
Well, the screws probably took us an hour extra.
But I think the other thing was because I've never done it before.
That's true. This was new for both. So both of us, when we started, you all right?
Ooh, honey.
All right. So the
Well,
only
I was
thing
stepping
is,
on the dog's tail, and I felt really bad.
remember those irritatingly small wires? We had to pull them out. There were 2 of them.
Yes.
I don't know which side of the CPU they should be on. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the document and find out whether they need to be on the face up side or the face down side.
Ooh.
Because that's important. When a U-tube wire needs to be over here, and a U-tube wire needs to be over here. Okay,
Oh, shoot.
wires. What?
And then, oh, darn it, we have to put that new hard drive in now, don't we? Well,
Oh, but that goes in like last.
yeah, we'll do that last, and then we'll... Now, like, some of the video editing stuff,
Yeah, you can't upload it to YouTube the way it is.
okay.
Open.
What really
And we need to work backwards.
Yeah. What really stinks, though, is this computer's 1.5 gigabyte RAM limitation.
This one?
Yes.
Hmm.
Well, no. That guy over there, he's got like 16. No, this one over here.
Found.
Yes. Fallon only has about... Oops. I don't know
I
if
don't know
that's...
if I'm on camera or not. It's kind of weird. It's being done.
What's it doing?
Nothing. It's behaving now.
Good.
Okay, so we put in the battery.
Yep.
And we didn't take out this heat sink.
No.
So now we're going to put it back together.
Yep.
Working backwards.
Hopefully this will...
System board.
Hopefully this will take us a lot less time, because now we know what we're doing.
Now we know what we're doing. Okay, so now we have to put the system board back where it's supposed to be.
Mm-hmm.
Which will include a screw that wasn't there the first time.
What do you mean that wasn't there the first
Well,
time?
we're going to have to replace the old one with a new one.
Ah.
So your case will just have less screws holding it on than it used to.
Which is fine.
Yeah.
You know,
It's okay.
I go up to Plymouth and it just, falls apart. I'd have to laugh.
Alright, so I need to make sure that it's sitting the way it's supposed to be sitting.
It looks like it is.
It's not, though. That's what's wrong.
What's
okay,
that?
watch out.
What happened?
I forgot about something.
What?
So it has a part that fits into, come on, wiggle like a loose tooth. I didn't screw you down yet. I don't talk to CPUs. That would be weird.
You just did.
Yeah, I know. It was sarcasm.
I talk to computers all the time.
Yes, I know. I talk to screws in German because I think they like it better.
Half the time, like, there was one time when I was actually thinking of sending Elida to Cambridge.
Okay.
I'm glad I didn't, because she could be very useful
So
as a Linux server. She wouldn't be very useful as a Windows Server 2012 server, because she only has 128 mega RAM, but still.
So I have to reattach this that I unplugged when I unplugged the CD-ROM drive.
Oh, where was that?
CD-ROM drive,
Yep.
cable,
Yep.
cable connecting. Let me check something. That's attached. I think that's still attached.
Is this the motherboard right here?
No. This is the systems board.
Yeah, which is the
So,
motherboard. It's just a
yes.
different... Yeah, motherboard, system board.
Whatever. Same difference?
Same difference. Manuals often say system board. I don't know why.
Because computers don't have mothers?
Well, no, it's funny, because technicians often call them motherboards, but I don't know. People call them system boards.
No, you seem to be sitting funny.
What?
Trying to make sure everything fits back correctly. This motherboard fits back inside the connection to the CD-ROM case, which is pretty tricky. Actually, can I wear this for a sec?
Of course.
Until I get the motherboard situated?
Anytime.
Because, like...
In fact, you should be.
Okay. Because I'm just pawing at it at this point.
Yeah, you definitely should be wearing that. I mean, ideally I'd also have a mat that protects from electrostatic discharge, but I didn't,
You didn't buy one yet?
no, I need to.
You should do that.
I should.
Okay. So... I will get this to fit back together. This is where it's hard for me because this has to do with shapes.
Right.
And I don't really like shapes.
I don't either.
I'm not actually very good at hands-on stuff.
Well, we'll know what happens when this thing doesn't turn on.
Yep.
We'll know
It's
why.
my fault. I mean, I just disconnected this battery again.
Oops. Goof.
Where is C9909?
You want to sit here?
Hey, I'm just gonna hijack your chair. If that's chill.
Well, I let you. Bradley, sweetie, come on.
9. You need to stay in there. You need to come down here.
Alright.
You.
Alright, do you need this thing open?
Yes. Because
Okay.
I'm desperately depending on that to tell me what to do.
Now, I have not moved it,
Good.
but I minimized it because...
You're gonna do stuff?
Yes, and I can get rid of that error. Because I don't care. Alright. Casa can go bye-bye at the moment.
So I'm having trouble sticking this in.
Ugh, that's kind of crappy. 17. What? Oh my world is taking up all my RAM. It's terrible.
Got it, okay. So I got the CMOS battery plugged in again. This actually comes like this. And this has to go. And it has to fit.
Wow, look at how much crap I have on my desktop. 75. I have like 75 things up there.
75 what? Open programs?
75 icons on my desktop. For various crap.
I have that much on the desktop.
I don't know. But I have a ton of crap in here. It's like amazing for me.
Okay.
Hold on, I want to do something. I'm just doing something in my system access preferences right now. But don't worry, that's not going to...
I'm not worried, Catherine.
But again, now, you're on camera, right?
Yeah. But, like, we can just edit out if it's not.
Ooh. Is this the fan right here? I think it
Yes.
is.
Yes, that's the fan.
Oops.
Just screwdrivers. I didn't think even Bradley would eat them.
No.
I don't know what that is. That's just gonna have to sit here.
Oh boy, that can't be fun.
Catherine, are you making odd comments that are relevant to what you're working on, but not to the video?
I'm just... I don't care about that. Can you do it with that? I don't care.
I'm having trouble fitting the CPU back together.
Serotic ambassadors.
Yeah, maybe one something.
That. Yep. That name. Oh, crap.
So, you're supposed to slide in like that. You...
Alright, seriously, how is server 1? How is that primary? That's odd.
Catherine, something's catching me. I don't know what.
What could be catching?
I don't know. It's massively complicated. Like, there's just so much going on this board. That's probably part of it. Like, there's one piece that I want to line up, and I can't even get that.
It'll be alright. So, well, let me see if I can get in here.
I'm gonna pause the camera.